GRYP stock analysis and GRYP stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade, and I'm the only guy in the stock space that has done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything. So I've seen what's working, what's not. Unironically, we Gryphon Digital Mining, the same exact approach, man. Like, I don't care if it's 200% up or anything. The previous prediction was that I was looking to take things further down. That did deliver. But then it pumped up out of nowhere, and we're going to see a lot of pumps like this happening. It's no wonder. Some people made a lot of money, and again, props to those people, but I'm not just going to take credit where it's not due. You know, like, I never approach this with GRYP. I mean, you can see, like, right here. I mean, I have my trade alerts with HIMS, which I absolutely called out to the dot, but nothing GRYP related in the Discord there. Unironically, like, when it's pumping up hard, I'm just looking to double down even more, even harder. So only if there's some sort of shifts, I'm going to look to buy. Just pump it all out, you know, milk the most that I can out of it. But other than that, forcing random buy is not going to happen. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails, free insights, and I'll see you in the next one. It's free.